Thinking about selling your home yourself to save on real estate commissions? If you're considering the FSBO route, chances are Zillow is at the top of your list. After all, it's one of the most popular real estate websites out there. But here's something most first-time FSBO sellers don't realize. Simply listing your home on Zillow isn't enough to get your property sold quickly or for the best price. Let's break down how to list your home on Zillow and why you shouldn't stop there if you want real results. First, to get your FSBO home on Zillow, start by creating an account on their website. Once you're logged in, search for your property by address and claim ownership. From there, you'll be guided to create your FSBO listing. Add all the important details: your price, a great description, square footage, and features. Don't forget to upload high-quality photos, ideally taken by a professional. Presentation matters, and great photos can help your listing stand out. But here's where most sellers hit a roadblock. While your home is now visible on Zillow, it won't show up on the MLS, the main database used by realtors and serious buyers. That means your home is invisible to most buyers who are working with agents. And even on Zillow, agent-listed properties are prioritized above FSBO listings, so your home might get buried in search results. Plus, FSBO listings on Zillow can attract unqualified buyers, lowball offers, or even scammers since there's less vetting involved. If you want to reach serious, pre-approved buyers and maximize your exposure, you need your home on the MLS. That's where ListLean comes in. With a Flat-Fee MLS listing, you can get your home on the MLS and automatically appear on Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, and hundreds of other sites, all without paying the traditional 6% commission. You stay in control of your sale, attract motivated buyers, and give your home the exposure it deserves. So if you're ready to sell smarter, combine your Zillow FSBO listing with a Flat-Fee MLS listing through ListLean. Visit ListLean.com to get started and take the next step toward a faster, more successful sale.